dvaipāyano bhagavān aprabodhād
dvaipāyano bhagavān aprabodhād
buddhastu pāṣaṇḍa-gaṇa-pramādāt
buddhastu pāṣaṇḍa-gaṇa-pramādāt
kalkiḥ kāla-malāt prapātu
kāla-malāt prapātu
dharmāvanāyoru-kṛtāvatāraḥ
dharmāvanāyoru-kṛtāvatāraḥ.
May the personality Godhead in the incarnation as Vyāsadeva protect me from all kind of ignorance resulting from the absence of Vedic knowledge. May Lord Buddhadeva protect me from the activities opposed to the Vedic principle and from laziness that causes us to madly forget the Vedic principle of knowledge and ritualistic action. May Kalkideva, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, appear as the incarnation to protect religious principle, protect me from the dirt of the age of Kali. So who is offering this prayer? These are the prayers composed by Vishwarupa as Narayana Kavacha. Prayers give you Kavacha, give you protection. So somebody asked Srila Prabhupada, and the question was that, is it, very simple question, that should we pray, Srila Prabhupada? He said, yes, that is their only business. That is the only business of the living entity, to pray. So same way here, we are praying. Actually, we are in this world, the three kind of kleshas are there. The living entity is always tormented with three kind of difficulties. What are they? Adi Bhautik, Adhyatmik and Adi Daivik. We are constantly being kicked by the difficulties of the body, difficulties of the mind. That is Adhyatmika. We are being dragged, kicked, slapped through some difficulty of the body or some difficulty of the mind. Then there are difficulties Adi Devik because of the nature. We have to bear it. It is hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. Whole Mangalore is falling sick now. You have to bear it. What can be done? And then next, Adi Devik, sometimes the ocean is next. It can come inside. Sometimes rivers give flooding. Sometimes oceans give tsunami. Sometimes earth give earthquake. His is also an earthquake belt. Anytime it can come. So many kind of difficulties can come because of the nature. There was last year no rain, no water. No water. So there are difficulties due to nature. It's very hot. And then next, Adi Bhautik. There are difficulties due to other living entities. Just like it says snakes can create difficulties. So many living entities can create difficulties. Now all this actually is constantly hitting the living entity. It's just like in a jail. Nowadays they don't have it. You cannot touch a prisoner. But previously they used to. Sometimes they do, but then there is an action against. They get a prisoner, they'll slap and beat him with the belts and give him nicely. So constantly imagine our condition is we are being whipped in the jail of material nature. Kya ho raha hamare saath? Whipped. Because Maya is not, don't think we have taken a very glorious decision to leave service to the Lord. It's a shameful decision. It's like nowadays, they come out of bail, they come out as a hero. Somebody is joking. They have not won some World Cup and come out. They have come out on bail. But the way people receive them, as if they won a World Cup and come. Aajkal aisa ho gaya. Somebody comes out of a jail. He's done a criminal case and he comes out on bail because they have finished, that they are waiting to make the decision. They give some bail. I don't know. I don't understand how that decision takes 100 years. Anyway, there's a point that they come out like this. It's not like this. So we have come out we are in the material world. You're not even bail. We are inside. Maya doesn't do this nonsense business of bail. Jail means jail. You don't get bail and go to spiritual world for some time. You don't get that opportunity. Till you are fit, you cannot enter the spiritual world. So we are in this jail. Agree? And then when we are in this jail of material existence, it's a very difficult condition. We are being whipped by three people. Three people are holding some, you can say, a whip and whipping. You heard about whipping? Bahut dard hota hai. Saudi Arabia, some countries, they have 100 whips, 9 people die by that time. All the skin comes out. Few whips you can handle the body. More, the skin comes out. It tears and person dies. So we are being actually whipped, and finally skin comes out. We also die in this world. We can't live. So in this condition, somehow the foolishness is, number one, I think I'm independent. Number two, we feel I'm enjoying. Both are madness. I'm neither independent nor I'm enjoying. Am I independent? भाई आपको कहीं suppose किसी को बांध दो. Sometimes it happens. Some person does a theft nowadays in some places. They catch the person, tie him to a tree, and whole locality comes and slaps and kicks him. It happens sometimes. होता है ना, सब लोग बांध के सब मारते हैं उसको. Imagine I am being tied by material nature with so many things, conditioning. I am not free. You cannot go to moon or to anywhere. You are tied to a situation. Your freedom is very limited. Basically, because you are why do we feel being tied is limitation? Because there was more freedom you were having. A tree standing in a place, that is not tied in the sense that his situation is like that. But we were free. When you are tied to the tree, we feel very bad. The soul is totally free. It's a servant of the Lord which can go anywhere. Like Narada can go to Vaikuntha here also. Jo conditioning aati hai, actually we are tied. Therefore Prabhupada says, always he says, conditioned soul, because he's a liberated soul. He can, for us, we don't understand what is liberated. So for us, this is itself good. You're getting my point? Suppose you are used to a higher facility. Say you're used to a car. And when the car is not there, you feel very uncomfortable because it's some facility which has been taken away. And the people who don't have a car, for them it's fine. What is so special? But he is an acharya. He is liberated from all kind of conditioning. He is a resident of Krishna's planet. When he sees this world, people, he writes always this world, he created this world. These worlds don't exist in any dictionary. Conditioned soul. Why conditioned soul? Because you see, they are trapped. But we can't see. Baddha Jiva can't see. Baddha Jiva, Mukta Jiva. Mukta Jiva can see, this fellow is unnecessarily tied. But he cannot understand his condition, Baddha Jiva. But actually when people understood, he is not tied by the conditionings of, material nature and the conditions of Maya, they could understand the position of the Acharya. Acharya's position is not bound. Okay. So we are in a situation totally tied and being whipped by Maya. क्या पेड़ पे बांध के सब तीन लोग विप्त लेके हैं. आध्यात्मिका क्लेशा, what is the next क्लेशा? आदि भौतिका क्लेशा, and what is the next क्लेशा? आदि दैविक. और लव लगे ताड़. And what are you declaring? मैं इंडिपेंडेंट हूँ. अच्छा, बहुत इंडिपेंडेंट हूँ. क्या मूर्खता है. That is, everybody says, I am free. They walk on the road, I am free. They are laughing. Just like in a jail, suppose. They are tied him to the pole. Few minutes they leave him free. He is walking in the jail like a king. They will be laughing actually. Abhi uthaye. Start. Adhyatmika, Adi Bhautika, Adi Devika. They are whipping it. Actually our condition is unnecessarily we are suffering. We don't have to suffer like this. Jabardasti suffer ho raha hai. You understand this point? कोई बेमतलब में बीमार पड़ रहा है और सड़ रहा है. कोई जरूरत ही नहीं थी इसका. He can live a healthy life. Anybody can live a healthy life, okay, if he is careful. So similarly, we also can live a healthy life for the soul that is at the service of the lotus feet of Krishna in the spiritual world. That healthy life is available for us. But no, we don't want that. We want the life in the material world when we are being whipped. बहुत independent. And other joke bigger than that, बहुत मजा आ रहा है. कैसे मजा आ रहा है भाई? लोग थप्पड़ लात मार रहे हैं. पूरा कॉलोनी ने आपको एक पेड़ में बांध दिया. सब लोग आके थप्पड़ लात घुसे मार रहे हैं. मजा आ रहा है. पागल है नहीं आदमी. So similarly, what kind of maja we are having? We are actually rotting in this material existence, suffering so many inconveniences unnecessarily. कोई जरूरत नहीं थी इसके. अब मजा आ रहा है. So there are two problems. What is that? We are thinking we are free and we are enjoying. So this is not the situation. Okay? Unnecessarily we are suffering. So here he is praying to Veda Vyasa to enlighten us with knowledge. Because when we get enlightened by knowledge, Veda Vyasa's contribution is unimaginable. उनका contribution कोई नहीं समझ सकता. भयंकर है. ऐसा contribution. कैसा contribution है? तो each word is for the good of the humanity. Prabhupada ji बोलते हैं एक एक शब्द is valuable. Prabhupada used to say, one word to understand, you need a day. What you are thinking, you can understand these books. We are actually nowhere. When you read a shloka, what do you understand? You can look the shloka from so many angles. There are so many meanings in every shloka. So many guidances there. When you read the Vedic literature, always feel like that. Don't think you're on the same level of Vedavyasa. You're an insect. Vedavyasa is the incarnation of God, is trying to guide us. Read for our own. My Lord, please protect me. I am being whipped by, just like jail में फंसे हैं और ना तो इंडिपेंडेंस है ना कोई मजा है अगर बुद्धि है. जब उस दिन ये समझ आ जाएगा, यू लुक फॉर गाइडेंस. अगर कोई सोचेगा मैं खुश हूँ तो क्या कर सकते हो उसके साथ? यू कांट डू एनीथिंग. बट यू अंडरस्टैंड ही इज इन अ डिफिकल्ट कंडीशन. देन व्हाट हैपेंस? देन ऑल द पीपल, you will ask somebody, can you help me? What should I do? Otherwise, no, we will not even seek help. And when we get help, we say, please give me direction. How do I relieve myself from this condition? क्या मेरे क्या गलती हो गई है? ऐसा क्यों मार रहे हैं मेरे को ये लोग? है ना? कौन हूँ मैं? कौन हूँ? कौन पकड़ के लाए मुझे? क्यों लाए मेरे को लोग इधर? और मेरे को क्यों मार रहे हैं? मैंने क्या किया ऐसा? When this question comes, that is Sanatana Goswami asked this question to Lord Chaitanya. Who am I and why I am suffering? क्यों लोग मेरे को मार रहे हैं? मैंने क्या गलती हो गया मेरे से? What mistake did I make? Why Maya is punishing me? जीव कृष्णदास ए विश्वास कर ले तारा दुख नाय. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, this whipping will stop except you are a servant of Krishna. Just like घर में नौकर है, ठीक है, काम नहीं कर रहा, थप्पड़ तो मारोगे उसके ना. The Maya is a servant of the Lord. We are all servants of Krishna. Maya's business is to train us to go back to Krishna's service. ठीक है? And she is training. But you are revolting. Why should I accept Krishna's supremacy? हैं? क्यों? क्यों है वो सुप्रीम? ठीक है. माया कहेगा भाई कम बहुत काम है आपके साथ अभी. आदि भौतिका, आदि दैविका, आध्यात्मिका. Then you may say, question this, what kind of God is this? If I don't accept him, he slaps me. What kind of person is this? Because Krishna knows your only happiness is in the service. He knows that. Not that, suppose a normal man, you go somebody, hey, accept me, otherwise slap you. He said, no, thought you give. You say, यार ये कैसा बदतमीज आदमी है? मैं क्या किया बस? No, you follow me. And he say, I'll not follow. Tuck. So you will not accept. You will say, this man looks like very unreasonable character or not. Why is Maya punishing me? Why doesn't he leave it free? Okay, I don't want to serve Krishna. Krishna will not leave you. He knows only way you can be happy is by his service. Therefore, Krishna is training us. आप समझ रहे नहीं समझ रहे? कभी कभी लोग समझते, भगवान का प्यार नहीं समझते लोग. उसको सोचते हैं भगवान ईर्ष्या कर रहे हैं. नहीं. Getting it's a riddle. People may feel, why is Krishna punishing? What is this? He should leave me free. No, Krishna knows he cannot leave you in this rotting condition. He does not want you in this material existence. He wants you to come. Therefore, he has created material world to be independent of him, but some disturbance in it. That is Adhyatmika, Adi Bhautika, Adi Devika. So that you make a plan to get out of this world and come back to the lotus feet of the Lord in the spiritual world. ये समझना आसान नहीं है, because this is on the spiritual platform. जो नॉर्मल लोग हैं ना, हम लोग संसारिक रहते हैं. हाँ, ऐसा होगा बड़ा मजा आएगा, ऐसा होगा बड़ा मजा आएगा. But Krishna is not. Therefore, Krishna created death. Why he has created death? Correct? Krishna knows he doesn't want you to settle down here. Krishna का purpose क्या है? चलो आ जाओ. And then you are eternal. Spiritual world, the relation to Krishna is eternal. ठीक है? I am not saying so. I have no authority. Vedavyasa says. हमारा क्या है? हम तो बेवकूफ हैं. But Prabhupada says, I may be fool and rascal. What about Vedavyasa? What about Madhvacharya? What about Ramanujacharya? These saints are not lying. They're telling the truth. Therefore, my primary business of human life should be to make a program to go back to Godhead. Okay? That is the program of Vedavyasa. So we can seek his blessing. And also it is very important to thank them for their contribution. Devashi bhutata nidam pitinidam na kinkaro nayam rinicha rajan. We should have gratitude to them, to these incarnations of God. Okay? We have to thank Vyāsadeva giving such beautiful literatures. Once devotees told Srila Prabhupada, This was an ecstasy after a big kirtan probably. Prabhupada, why don't you call Vyāsadeva? He should come and help us. We are doing the Sankirtana movement. So Prabhupada said, he has given you Vedic literature. Is that not enough? Is it not enough? Yes, that's a great help.